Allie's Eccentric Diva, and I'm coming to you in my pajamas. I'm getting ready to make the muffins, the lemon zest, olive oil, and lemon zest muffins. So I said I would share, and so we're going to get into it now. Okay, so it's coming from this book, the Hassle-Free Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. And I'm going with the olive oil and lemon zest muffins. So it calls for a cup of flour, and olive oil and almond milk. Oh my God, my camera. I'm gonna have to turn this thing off. Okay, if you hear screams in the background, my daughter's playing some Murder Express or something. She just screams all night. Anyway, I was trying to do the ingredients, but I am using this automatic like camera holder, and it was just going around in circles basically. All right, so we need a cup of flour and a quarter cup of olive oil and a quarter cup of almond milk. Oh, forgot eggs. Gotta get an egg, the lemon zest, I'm going to use this, and a tablespoon of honey, and teaspoon of baking powder. So I just grated one lemon, and that's what came out. I was just curious to see what it would amount to. So basically it comes out to 1 tablespoon. So because I'm trying to make a larger batch, so enough for like 5 days, I doubled up everything. So I have in here half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of almond milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of honey, and now I'm going to whisk that. So I'm whisking this all together. And I was thinking, instead of having my daughter up there screaming, maybe in one of these videos I'll have her, assist me so she can learn too. Because everybody knows I am not the swiftest in the kitchen. Like, if y'all really know me on here and you see me doing this, you're probably going to be like, what is she doing? This ain't Michelle. But, I got to start somewhere. Shoot. Kind of take after my mother. My dad was the cook, and so my mom, she cooked some, but not like my dad. He was a very good cook. And same here, Tony's a very good cook. But we can follow recipes. All right, so that's all together. So this is what it looks like when I whisk. Can't say it. When I stirred it all together. Now we're going to add the flour and the baking soda. So y'all, I don't know what happened, but when I put that flour in there, I could barely stir it. So I just added a little more almond milk, and I'm hoping that'll be okay. But now this is what it looks like. And I'm going to pour it in the muffin pan. And I already have the oven preset. It's supposed to be at 350, but my oven seems to me lately hasn't been that hot, or it's electric, and so plus I have I'm baking chicken breast right now too for another recipe, but I'm going to add the ingredients into these muffin pan. Okay, so this is what we're looking like, getting ready to go in the oven. I don't have like the muffin inserts, so I just sprayed the pan with some Pam, so hopefully it doesn't stick too bad. So I'm going to stick them in the oven now, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out.
I think you just fill it overnight so you don't have to fill it in the morning.
Yeah, maybe.
Just put it in the fridge. That's what I did.
I would put her on camera, but she half naked. Anyway. So this is how the muffins came out. I'm gonna try one and see if they're done, or if they need to be put in the oven a little bit longer. So, not bad. I could use a little bit more lemony flavoring, but overall, I'm pleased with how they came out. So the olive oil and lemon zest muffins were a success. I was scared there because like I said, the Swift is in the kitchen, but they came out good. I would next time put a little more lemon in it. I was expecting a little more lemon flavor, but you do taste it. Like after you eat it, I still taste like lemon in my mouth, but I just want that a little bit more zest, lemon zest taste. And so it'll be something we just grab in the morning with our tea. I usually was grabbing Belvita breakfast cookies, eating those, which I know is not as healthy as these. So I'm really happy that these were a success. So I'm still waiting for my chicken breast to cook. And hopefully I'll be able to share this wrap, that recipe, chicken breast wrap recipe that I saw. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.